This is Richard with Wisdom Investor Travels. We're in South Florida, just outside the Everglades National Park. I'm with my wife and one of my daughters here, and we're so close to this alligator farm, we thought we would take a little bit of time and learn about alligators. So stay with us as we journey through this alligator farm. They're going to give us a tour of the Everglades, and before we do that, we're going to take a look around this alligator farm. Some really interesting things to learn. Here's a close-up shot of some baby alligators. This is a look inside the alligator farm. And if you take this path here right in front of us, it takes us to the auditorium where they do the alligator shows.
Got everybody, how we all doing today? Unfortunately, I got no power over on this side, guys. That's why I'm not using the microphone. Budget cuts, you know? Oh, guys, we'd like to welcome you here to the Everglades Alligator. Questions, feel free to ask. Here inside this pen, guys, we do have the one American alligator. And alligators, guys, are a member of the crocodilian family. That family does date back 65 million years ago to the time of the dinosaur. Said to believe these animals reached a length of 60 feet. The largest recorded caught alligator caught back in 1890. That animal was 19 feet 2 inches and he was caught up in Louisiana. The largest alligator we've... Get up here. You see that alligators are very capable of jumping and climbing. So, can an alligator jump or climb in the boat? Yes, they can. And if an alligator decides to jump in your boat, you're probably wondering what you should do. Jump out the other side of the boat.
You ready for the boat ride?
Yes.
Sally?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, he's getting this boat ready to go.
Push the start.
From South Florida, outside the Everglades National Park, we're at this alligator feeding farm. We took a tour of the Everglades along with the alligator farm and attended a show. We hope you enjoyed this production. Thanks for watching.